Yeah, we're talking about tenant organizing and tenants' rights, but a lot of people, they don't know it, so this is to give you information.
I'm very interested in what's going on with the climate because a lot of things that are happening with the climate, affect our housing.
Contact Basta.
These issues are important because they affect so many tenants. Things like the Uri storm happened. I live in a duplex. The upstairs duplex flooded my apartment almost totally, and when I reached out to management, they told me that my apartment may be a little uncomfortable, but I was able to live in an apartment with everything ripped out, the roof ripped out.
We have a lot of renters here in Austin, and a lot of them are not aware of what their rights are. We don't have a lot of them, but we do have some.
We got flooded out. We had to deal with mold issues. Right now, there's no laws against mold, so you can have to pay rent and live in apartments that are not properly fixed and have mold, and if you owe even $1, you could be evicted.
Just talking about the relationship between climate and housing and tenants' rights.
There's lots of ways to fight. It's a process I'm learning every day. I just learned to get out there and speak out because I never spoke before the public.
It's about 20 complexes in Austin that have a tenants association.
You make relationships with people. People see you out there and they tell you that they admire you. The tenants always, try to thank me for hanging in there and for continuing the fight and not being afraid. And that's the biggest thing. People are afraid of retaliation. I was already at rock bottom. I didn't have nothing else to lose.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I would recommend that program. I think it's a great program. It's informational.
That is very helpful. We got to fight back.
We need more programs. We need this program to keep going to educate people and let them know that they have rights and they can fight for them.